So now let's go ahead and look at the second example. Chris, John, let me increase this one, John, Jenna, and Haley have been invited to a dinner party. So this was before COVID, I'm guessing. They arrive randomly and each person arrives at a different time. That's okay. So what are they asking us? How many ways can they arrive? Okay, so I have 4 people here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one, how many? I have Chris. So who can arrive first? Chris can come first, John can come first, and Jenna can come first, or Haley can come first. So the first one, I have 4 options. Once one of them comes first, let's just say Chris has come first. How many options do I have next? 3, and then 2, and then 1. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24 ways. Okay, now let's look at the next one. How many ways can Chris arrive first and Jenna arrive last? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Chris has to come first. Jenna has to come last. What about the next second one? How many options do I have? Only 2, because who is left? I don't know, I forgot the names. John and Haley. So I have either John or Haley can come here, right? So I have 2 options. Let's say Haley comes. How many options I have left for the third one? 1. So keep in mind, they want Chris to come first. You don't have a choice. They want Jenna to come last. You don't have a choice. How many do you have left in between? Only 2. So that is 2 times 1, which is 2 ways. That is, I'm saying Chris is coming first, Jenna is coming last. So John can come second, that is 1 way, or Haley can come second, that's another way. So only 2 ways. Now let's look at the probability that Chris will arrive first and Jenna last. Remember, every time they say probability of Chris coming first and Jenna coming last, right? How do I find the probability? Probability is total number of the sample space and the number of times the event occurs, right? So that is how many ways that is everything possible. So how many ways can Chris, John, Jenna, I forgot the name, Haley can come. So that is, you're trying to look at how many ways can all 4 of them arrive, which is 24 ways. Do you see that? How many ways can all 4 of them arrive? We have found that, which is 24 ways. That is the total sample space. And how many ways can Chris and Jenna arrive? Chris first and Jenna arrive last? We did that, which is 2 ways. That is 1 over 12 total number of ways. Okay? Always you need to break your probability down when you're working with it and then start your problem. So in this case, your sample space is 24. And how many ways can they come? Chris come first and Jenna come last? 2 ways. So how many ways can this happen? 1 over 12 ways.